In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder your spaces by most recent or alphabetically. If your list of spaces is starting to feel a little messy, this quick sort feature will help you find what you need faster. We'll keep it simple and intuitive, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between a most recent view and a clean AZ list without changing anything inside your spaces themselves. Start by looking for the Spaces section in your sidebar or main navigation. Right beside the word Spaces, you'll see a small three-dot icon, also known as the vertical ellipsis. That icon is your Options menu. Go ahead and click it. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse near the Spaces label, or make sure your window is wide enough, as the menu can sometimes hide when the sidebar is narrow. After you click the three dots, a small menu will open. In that menu, you'll see two sorting choices. The first is Sort by Most Recent. Choose this if you want your most active or newly updated spaces to float to the top automatically. This view is great when you're hopping in and out of ongoing discussions or projects and want the freshest activity to be the first thing you see. The moment you select Sort by Most Recent, your list will rearrange itself. No extra clicks required. The second option is Sort Alphabetically. Pick this if you prefer a stable, predictable order, perfect for scanning by name, or when you know exactly what your space is called. A to Z sorting removes the guesswork and keeps everything in a tidy sequence. As soon as you choose Sort Alphabetically, your spaces will reorder themselves right away. There's nothing else you need to confirm. The change happens instantly, and you can switch between these two views anytime using that same three-dot menu. If you try one option and it doesn't match your workflow, just open the menu again and choose the other. It's that fast. A couple of quick tips to make the most of this. Use Sort by Most Recent when you're in a busy period with lots of updates, so the latest conversations rise to the top. When things calm down or you're onboarding new team members, Sort Alphabetically helps everyone find spaces by name with less scrolling. And that's it. Click the three dots beside spaces, choose either Sort by Most Recent or Sort Alphabetically, and your spaces are reordered automatically. Simple, clear, and tailored to how you work best.